They supply vehicles that patrol Palestinian land. They supply, they build weapons components. They have partnerships with Lockheed Martin and Boeing that also then are used to build like fighter jets. And they supply weapons components that go directly to Israel. They also provide the IT infrastructure and service, the cloud computing of Project Nimbus, the state surveillance system run by the Zionist entity that surveil Palestinian lives and land. They also provide banking services across the sectors of both private and public for Israel. And most of the digitization of banking in Israel is like done by Tata.